In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a note in Obsidian on mobile. If you're new to Obsidian, a quick heads up, your notes live inside something called a vault. Think of a vault as a folder that holds all your notes, attachments, and settings for a particular project or area of your life. Renaming a note changes the file name inside that vault, but it won't change the note's contents or your overall setup. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your device. When it loads, you may see a list of vaults you've previously created or opened. Tap the vault you'll be working in. If you're switching from another vault or launching the app fresh, you might also see an option to open it explicitly. Go ahead and tap Open Vault. This makes sure you're working in the right place, especially if you juggle multiple vaults for work, study, or personal notes. Once the vault is open, navigate to the note you want to rename. You can find it from your file browser, from recent notes, or via search if that's quicker. Open the note so you can see its content. Renaming from within the note helps ensure you're changing the correct file. Look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots to open the note options. In this menu, choose Rename. Obsidian will highlight the note's current name, ready for editing. Type the new name you want. Clear descriptive names work best, something that makes the note easy to find later. If you use a naming convention like dates or prefixes, keep it consistent here. Also, avoid characters your device's file system doesn't like, such as slashes or certain symbols. After you've typed the new name, tap Save. On some devices, this might appear as a checkmark, but it serves the same purpose. It confirms the change. The note's file name updates in your vault, and Obsidian will reflect the new name in the sidebar and any note lists you're viewing. A quick tip for peace of mind: Obsidian is designed to keep your note links intact. If you've linked to this note from other notes, Obsidian typically updates those links automatically so you don't end up with broken references. Renaming doesn't affect the note's content or attachments, and if you use sync, give it a moment to propagate the new name across your devices. That's it. Simple, fast, and tidy. You've just renamed a note in Obsidian on mobile, keeping your workspace organized and your ideas easy to find.